Hi, hello. A quick tip for the day. Always try to ensure that you follow the right kind of mechanism for data backup and restoration. Backup is your defense mechanism, especially when there is a hardware failure, when there is a fire on your system, and apart from that, any security breach which happens on the system. Try to regularly take a backup of your system and the files inside the system. And apart from that, try to use something like a rewritable disks or tapes for your regular backups. First, you guys try to calculate how much is your backup, what is the size of your backup, and try to use the type of backup accordingly which suits the system. Hope you follow these tips and try to take regular backups of your system and protect your system.